Exponents on whole numbers. Example 1. The hydraulic component has a radius of 4 centimeters. Part of finding the area is to solve for the following, which is 4 raised to the second power. So let's go over a few things. So exponents, which would be considered the 2 in this example 1, is really just saying that exponents are just repeated multiplication. So for this problem, we have 4, which is considered our base number, and 2 is considered our exponent. So what this really means, 4 raised to the second power, is just saying we are multiplying 4 by another 4 because there's 2 of them. So the 2 is just telling us how many copies of 4 we have. And so in this problem, we have 2. So for this problem, 4 times 4 is equal to 16. And then we would put centimeters squared because we have 2 centimeters, 4 centimeters times 4 centimeters. Now let's move on to another example. Now we have 6 raised to the 4th power. So our base number is 6, and it's telling us that we have 4 6s. So we would go 6 times 6 times 6 times 6, because that 4 tells us how many copies of the base number we have. So for this problem, we would need to multiply out this whole problem. What I like to do is I like to go 6 times 6, which is 36. Now this 6 times this 6 is 36. So now we just have to do 36 times 36. So for this problem, let's multiply. 6 times 6 is 36. Carry that 3. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 3 is 21. Now we're going to do a 0 as a placeholder. Now 3 times 6 is 18. So we put an 8 below. And we're going to carry that 1. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. Now we add. Now 6 plus 0 is 6. 1 plus 8 is 9. 2 plus 0 is 2. And then we have just the 1. So for this problem, it is equal to 1,296 when you multiply 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. So let's do another example. The front wheel caliper piston has a 2 centimeter radius. Part of finding the area is to solve for the following. So we have 2 raised to the second power. So that means we have 2 2's that we multiply. And 2 times 2 is 4. And then we're going to keep our units, which is centimeters squared. And that would be our solution to this problem. So let's do another example. Now we have 7 raised to the 3rd power. So that means we have 3 7's that we are multiplying. So 7 times 7 is 49. And then we're going to multiply by 7 to give us our answer. So 49 times 7. 9 times 7 is, so we put a 3 below, carry the 6. 4 times 7 is 28, plus 6 is 34. So our answer for this problem is 343.